Replace W10295370A refrigerator water filter for filter 1. The Whirlpool refrigerator water filter W10295370A is a replacement filter for refrigerators that use the filter 1 type. It removes sediment, chlorine, and other impurities from your water, making it safe to drink and use for cooking. The filter is easy to install and maintain, and it should be replaced every 6 months to ensure that your water is clean and fresh. Here are some of the benefits of using the Whirlpool refrigerator water filter W10295370A. Improves the taste and smell of your water. The filter removes sediment, chlorine, and other impurities that can make your water taste and smell bad. Reduces the number of harmful bacteria in your water. The filter helps to protect you from harmful bacteria that can cause illness. Extends the life of your appliances. The filter helps to keep your appliances running smoothly by preventing them from becoming clogged with sediment and other impurities. The Whirlpool refrigerator water filter W10295370A is a great way to improve the quality of your water and protect your health. It is easy to install and maintain, and it should be replaced every 6 months to ensure that your water is clean and fresh. Here are some tips for choosing a refrigerator water filter. Consider the size of your refrigerator. The filter should be the right size for your refrigerator's water dispenser. Check the compatibility of the filter with your refrigerator. Make sure that the filter is compatible with your refrigerator's water system. Read the reviews of different filters before making a decision. This will help you to choose a filter that is effective and reliable. The Whirlpool refrigerator water filter W10295370A is a great option for anyone looking for a high-quality, affordable refrigerator water filter. It is easy to install and maintain, and it helps to improve the taste, smell, and quality of your water.